So, hi dear Aquarius, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal reading for all the Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Keep in mind, this is journal. It might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the rules can be reversed also. Third thing, this is a reading from 26th of August till the 1st of September, and it's valid for every 12 sign that you're dealing with along with your own sign. If it is not resonating, it's not your story. You can just skip the video, okay? If you want to be a professional tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self-healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same, and it has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. You know that I'm doing it from healing sessions or personal readings. You can check out the description box and you can mail me for the same. So let's start. Aquarius, your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment. Let's see what's happening. We have the Eight of Cups. Okay, someone here is kind of feeling detached from the situation, or they are feeling like you're detaching from the situation. The love they used to feel or the connection they used to feel is not there anymore, or they're feeling like you are kind of letting it go. Let me clarify before I jump into any kind of conclusions. Let's clarify the Eight of Cups here. We have the Page of Swords, the Nine of Swords, the Eight of Swords. Somebody is watching you from a distance. They're scared as hell. This person can't stop thinking about you because you are walking away from the situation. You are distancing yourself from the situation, or you are just feeling detached from the situation. You're not into the situation anymore, and this is scaring the shit out of this person. This is giving them sleepless nights. This person can't stop thinking about what happened between you guys, and the way you walked away, the way you're walking away from the situation. It's making them very sad and very depressed. They're losing sleep over it. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Aquarius? Let's see what's happening. Nine of Swords. Okay, what is happening? You can't sleep at night. You're having anxiety. You are having stress. You're having depression regarding the situation right now. What is happening? You guys tell me what is happening. We have the Eight of Wands, the Three of Pentacles, the Justice. You feel like having justice in the situation. You feel like talking it out with this particular person and energy, sorting it out with them and bringing the balance, bringing the justice back in the situation, whatever it means in your case. For some of you, it could be like leaving the situation completely. For some of you, it could be like having a reconciliation. For others of you, you might be going through a legal battle with this person and you're very worried what is going to be the result. So you are in this energy of universe. Please bring justice to me. Please bring balance to me, because I feel like if I am not going to get the justice or balance, I'm going to lose faith in you. So you are just in this energy of bringing the balance back to the situation, whatever it means in this situation, by talking it out, by sorting it out. And you're very worried, very scared how to do that. Not scared, but worried. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are the intentions for the situation between you and them? Aquarius, let's see. Queen of Wands, their intention is to manifest this situation back in their life. Their intention is to manifest something in this situation, in this connection, in this relationship, and at the same time, improving themselves, improving their looks, their personality, their overall energy, so that they can grab your attention in some way, shape, or form. Let me clarify the Queen of Wands here. We have the King of Swords, Two of Wands. Yeah, it's like this person wants to tell you that how they're improving themselves, they're changing their personality, they're changing their looks, their energies are shifting, so that they can grab your attention, so that you can you can go towards them and offer them a long-term partnership and or commitment. Or their plan is to improve themselves to that level of that you are going to chase them and you are going to ask them for commitment, long-term partnership and or marriage. It's like their game plan to improve their looks, their personality, their energy to that level, so that they can make you come back to them, go back to them, and get some kind of stability, get some kind of long-term partnership, and get some kind of this energy of having some kind of stability kind of energy between you and them, long-term commitment kind of energy between you and them. It's like having a plan so that you are going to chase them to that level of energy of, yeah, I want commitment with you, I want marriage with you, and I want something stable with you. This is their plan. This is what they want. Okay, they're manifesting this energy of you chasing them in the future by changing their personality, their looks, and their overall energies. That is good, but if they're doing it just to attract you, just to manipulate your energies, then it is bad. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or energy from your side, Aquarius? We have the King of Pentacles. You just want to be in a stable, mature, and grounded kind of energy. You just want to take care of yourself, your money, your job, your career, your stability. I don't think you want to play any kind of games here. I don't think you just want to be in this situation just for the sake of being in a connection or something. No, 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 not like that. Let me clarify the King of Pentacles. We have the Hermit, the World card, the Knight of Swords. Yeah, see, you want to make you want it, you want to make sure that you are going to give your message very loud and clear to the other person here, that all you want is a stable, mature, and grounded kind of energy. If they're not able to provide it to you, you are not into their games anymore. You don't want to manipulate, you don't want to play games just for the sake of being in a connection or just for the sake of keeping somebody by your side. So you want to make sure that you are giving them a loud and clear message that you don't want to play games with them anymore in this connection, because all you want is a stable, mature, and grounded kind of energy. If they are not able to provide it to you, so it's a goodbye. Okay, okay. Yeah, see, because you're heartbroken over this situation so many times, you don't want to repeat the same cycle again and again and again. You are fed up of all this bullshit, so you are like in this energy of, if they are not able to provide me something stable and grounded, I am ready to let it go completely out of my life, out of my system. I just want something mature, grounded, and long term. Cool. Let's see what is coming towards you till the 1st of September. What could be the possible outcome of the situation? Nine of Wands. I do see guards up. I do see walls up, walls high. Not opening up to the situation or to this connection or to this relationship. Let me clarify the Nine of Wands. Let's see. Yeah, somebody's coming towards you with this hope that, okay, I can make this work out with the Aquarius. It's so easy to get Aquarius back in my life, but they're going to crush their own heart, they're going to break their own heart when they're going to come towards you, and you are going to either say no to the situation completely, or you're going to say, okay, let's take it really very, very slow, to the point of, okay, maybe talking once in a month or so. It's like going to break their heart. So one of you is going to go towards the other person with this complete hope and faith that the other person is going to say yes to this connection, or yes to this energy of, let's get back together and work on this. And the other energy is going to be like, okay, let's slow down, let's be friends only, or let's not be in a relationship right now, or let's take things really very, very slow. Whatever the case may be, I do see a rejection on someone's side about the uh, about the energy that's coming their way, in this happy kind of happy-go-lucky kind of energy of, yes, Aquarius is going to say yes, or maybe you are going towards somebody. So the roles can be reversed also. So somebody is coming towards you with this energy of, yeah, yay, let's make this work out, let's start from friendship, and you are going to be like, nah, not right now, maybe later, come back later, or maybe just talk once in a month, or maybe just be friends only. So you are going to friend zone them, I think, and it's going to crush their heart, it's going to break their heart into pieces, because they are very sure that you are going to say yes to their proposal, even if they did something really horrible with you. So it could be, again, the roles can be reversed also. Please keep that in mind. The guidance here, the Two of Pentacles, the Knight of Swords, the Six of Wands. If you are not sure about this particular person or situation or this connection, don't rush into any kind of conclusions. Don't jump into any kind of conclusions just like that. Take your time, understand this person, understand this situation, understand what you really feel about this particular person or situation or connection. Okay, and then only make your choices, then only make your decision. Okay, if you're confused, you can simply say, I want more time. If you are into this energy of I want it, then you can simply say, I just want to take it really slow. And if you're not into this situation, you can simply say, no, I don't want it. But don't be in any kind of confusion, on and off, in and out kind of energy, and don't give this mixed vibes kind of energy to the other person as well, because it's going to turn into a disaster in the coming future if you are not going to take a decision or make a decision with a clear cut mind, with a clear cut understanding. Because even if you think you can keep the situation going like this, on and off, in and out, it's going to harm you, only harm you in the sense, energetically you are going to be drained. You are going to feel like, okay, my god, I am feeling depleted, I am feeling left out in the cold, I am feeling this, I am feeling that, because you yourself is not sure about this energy. So how can you get the good and stable kind of energies from the other side. So it's a matter of understanding that you have to be stable first, you have to be in this clear cut energies first, you have to stabilize your own energies, your own mind, your own groundedness first. You have to be grounded first, then only you will be able to make up your mind, and then only the universe will be able to send you that kind of energies. Okay, hope it's making sense to you. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Aquarius. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.